Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. You are going to want to see these quick and easy ways that you can take Dollar Tree frames to make some beautiful art for your home. These are going to be ideas that maybe you haven't even thought of putting together just to create a nice beautiful artwork piece that you can place anywhere down in any room of your home using Dollar Tree frames and all of Dollar Tree items within this video. So you can see here Dollar Tree always has out a ton of frames. This one is a new one. This one holds two pictures and the thing in the middle turns around, so I like that is really nice. This is a new item for me, but we all know that sometimes it differs with when it comes to Dollar Tree, so let me know if you have seen this before. So these are all of the frames that I picked up because I really love these, and I love the oval one especially. I love the shape. These are the two combos that I'm going to be putting together when it comes to the stickers and the peel and stick wallpaper. Again, this is all from Dollar Tree. They are $1.25 each. So we're going to start by making a beautiful piece for the kitchen that turns out absolutely beautiful. I think it is my favorite one from today because it is just super simple to make once again, but it looks super pretty. So again, I put the two pieces that I would like together for each one. So I placed the lemons down with this beautiful goldish little floral stems here or leaves in the background, and then I'm gonna just pick the lemons that I would like to place down on top. And I'm gonna take the big one, even though they do go a little bit out of the frame. I like that because it gives a more natural look to the whole feel. So I'm just gonna place that in the center and then place that framing back in. And I do only place the lemon on one side, and then I place the lemon slices on the other side. But feel free to pick whatever sticker that you want from the sticker sheets, and yeah, just have fun with it, make it unique, make it your own. And that's what's great about these ideas for making artwork for your home, because you can definitely make beautiful artwork using Dollar Tree's things such as this peel and stick wallpaper. You can even place it in the background and place family photos in front of it to give it a nice background. You can also take some of Dollar Tree's they have been starting to put out some photos, like actual artwork that are printed. I'll show you guys right here, but they are absolutely beautiful as well. So you can place those in the front of the peel and stick wallpapers too to make it look really pretty. But you can see just how pretty this turned out, and it came together in the snap of a finger, and you can just make some beautiful decor for your home. Now I have it propped up here against something, but this one specifically doesn't have a stand. This one is to hang, so you can hang it horizontal or vertically, but of course we do need it horizontal here for the pictures. But I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think of this little piece. Next up, I'm going to be taking this little 4x4 square frame that has the gold trim and the white edges. I did pick this one up because I do like how it ties in with the oval frame and the gold trim as well. They tie in really nicely together and are two different shapes, so it gives it a nice little look to it. I'm going to go ahead with this greenery peel and stick wallpaper that has little specks of gold within. And then I'm going to take this bee sticker decal from Dollar Tree. These are absolutely gorgeous. These are new as well that I recently found. I'm going to place this little guy here that looks like he's about to land on something. I took that one, placed it right in the center, and I'm going to place it right inside of my frame. 1, 2, 3, nice and easy, just like that. You have a nice little beautiful piece that you can set anywhere in your home. And of course you can place multiple stickers in one frame, that's completely up to you, but I do like the look of one little bee right in the center there. So that is super cute and I just love it. It just makes such a nice little statement, and it is so simple to make, my friends. I really do recommend you trying to, you know, just play around with some of Dollar Tree's things. This in total costed $3.75 to make, so that is literally nothing compared to buying a piece of artwork at, let's say, Hobby Lobby or something like that. For the next one, we're gonna work on that oval frame, and I love the prongs on this to open it. It's the ones that you just slide over rather than trying to pull up those metal ones. I just love those. It's so much more easier on your fingers. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the butterfly background along with the butterfly stickers, and this blue one looks really beautiful on this one as well as the gold one. I am gonna go with the gold one just because I like how it ties in with the gold trimming of the frame. So I do place that down in the center, and just like that we have another beautiful art piece. This is beautiful for a kid's room, a little girl's room, or maybe even a bathroom, something like that. I think would look really pretty. But this one looks absolutely gorgeous, and again, I just love the shape of the frame. It makes it look nice and elegant and a little bit more high end, and possibly your friends or family wouldn't even think that you made this from Dollar Tree items, and they could think that you bought it from the store. So it's absolutely pretty. The next one is this 2-in-1 frame that I find very unique and I love. This one is more sort of boho chic kind of style, so I am making this one to gift it because it's not personally my style that I would like for my decor, but I am going to just style it up to gift it. The first little frame, I'm gonna add this little bird that is from the peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree. This peel and stick wallpaper alone looks very high end in my opinion. It looks really good. I love that pattern of the birds with the greenery. And then I'm also going to do the same pattern that I did to the little 4x4 square. I know this video was super simple and quick, my friends, but I just wanted to show you some quick and easy ways that you guys can take some, you know, some normal stuff and make some beautiful decor for your home. So let me know if you've enjoyed, and do give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. That would really help out a lot. But I'm just placing these two together now so I can place it back in. It did give me a little bit of trouble pushing it back in. You really have to get those lines to match up together, but once it does, it just slides in perfectly. And then we can add in that little stopper that came within the frame. That is a great addition to the frame because it does prevent the, you know, the frames and the glass from sliding out. And there you have it, another easy, beautiful piece that you can set anywhere in your home. And of course, you can make these super nice and easy and quick. It'll just come together to make a nice, beautiful gift for someone on their birthday, an anniversary, or anything like that. These will make beautiful gifts that you literally spend less than $5 on. So that is amazing. I absolutely love all of these quick and easy ideas for these frames. Let me know if you have enjoyed and which one is your favorite little piece that we made here today. I would love to know. And thank you so much for tuning in today and for sticking around to the very end. It is much appreciated, my friend, and I will see you all on the next video. Take care and God bless.